you're having a great day. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. For today, I'm actually gonna create a makeup look instead of doing a review video. No, something's different. I noticed that a blue liner been trending for a while. It's loads of pictures, you know, of celebrities and catwalk shows and everything with a blue eyeliner. So I thought I'm gonna do a blue eyeliner makeup look. So without any further ado, let's do this. So to create the eyeliner, I'm not gonna use the actual eyeliner, I'm gonna go with the eyeshadow palette. So this one is NYX Brights eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna use one of these blues. I haven't decided yet. To make this eyeshadow eyeliner pop more, I need a wet brush, so I'm gonna spray this eyeliner brush by Real Techniques with a setting spray. So I'm just gonna use, this is a new brand by the way for me, the Giovanni Eco Chic Skincare Facial Prime and Setting Mist. I'm keeping this like a plastic bit from one of the brush packages. So it's good when spraying, not to spray everywhere around when spraying brushes or something like that. So it's wet, but it's not messy everywhere around. Plus it keeps the product on. Here you go. Upcycling. Let's go with this more bright color, I think. Don't worry, this is not gonna ruin your makeup. I did use this trick many times, and actually using the eyeshadow as your eyeliner way much easier, and you can go more precise and all, and it's easier to remove later and to fix mistakes if you do any. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go very close to the lash line first. And I'm gonna work it into the lash line. Alright, so first part is complete. What we're gonna do next, I want to draw a flick in here, but I don't want to fill this in, and then draw back in a bit, just till the part where my eye creases. So I'm gonna actually miss the creasing part, so the eyeliner will look even better. So keep wetting my brush on this little, what I upcycled. What I'm gonna do now, the outer corner, I'm gonna draw back in here. Just till where my eye creases. And I'm gonna leave this. I'm not gonna fill this in. So I think we should go a step further and add the inner eye corner flick. It's not flick. Basically like a cat eye. We're gonna go down in here. So for that, I'm taking a small dense brush. This one is square detail brush by Real Techniques. And I'm kind of going in a little bit to the lower lash inner eye corner. Honestly, with this technique, you can be as creative as you want. You can mix as many colors as you wish. Alright, so you can lay the eyeliner just like this, and it looks cool. Just apply obviously the mascara or falsies or whatever you prefer. Or you can go and add a bit more color, you know, a bit of the eyeshadow or whatever you wish. Just, you know, be playful and creative. So I think I'm gonna add, because blue and orange and yellow goes really nicely together, so I think I'm gonna add a bit of the orange and yellow in here. So I'm gonna go from orange and then I'm gonna do yellow in this part. Taking a smudge brush and this orange color, and gonna go inside this liner with it. So as you see, I drag the orange in on the mobile lid. What I'm doing, I'm taking this yellow color and I'm gonna go slightly bit higher, because now it's everything on a mobile lid. I'm taking a bit of an orange color and I'm gonna go on the lower lash line, like middle and the outer corner. See, I'm dragging this blue liner a little bit down to the lower lash outer corner. Taking the same brush I used before for orange color and just buffing it. Alright, so we just need to do the same on the other eye. Apply some mascara, lashes if you wish, and we're done. So this is what I'm gonna do. Gonna apply the same on this eye. Put some mascara on, so I'll use the On the Rise by NYX. And I think I'm gonna go and apply the Wake Up and Makeup by Bella Chloe Magnetic Lashes. I think I'm gonna film the part how to apply these lashes. These are in a style natural, by the way, because I did a video using exactly these magnetic lashes on how to apply those. It's super easy. I'm gonna link it in the eye in a corner so you guys can check it out. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump in, do exactly the same on this eye. See you soon. And that's a finished look. What do you guys think? If you're wondering what's on my lips, I added a bit of a Revolution Pro Supreme lip pigment in Premonition. And a tiny bit of the Tarte's lip paint in Strut. This one is just like a tester version. Yeah, so this is a finished look and lashes are on. Oh wait, I have a discount code for this as well, I think. I'm gonna link it in the description box. I'm definitely gonna write my old discount codes so you guys can check it out. This is a finished look. Was super easy to create. What do you guys think? What's your thoughts on this super easy eyeliner look? And using this technique with a wet brush, with a wet eyeliner brush and the eyeshadow palette, you can have any eyeliner color you wish. Plus it's so super easy to use. Oh, by the way, you might have been wondering why I didn't apply the base shadow prior applying the eyeliner. Because with shadow eyeliner, it's way much easier to use to begin with. Second, if you mess up and you have only your liner on, you can clean it up. But if you would have already the rest of the shadow, like a base shadow, then it would be harder to clean it off. You would just make more mess. So that's why I went in with the liner first, and then I added the shadow just in case I would mess up big time, because I was honestly improvising. In my head, I had just the eyeliner idea, and then I sat in front of the camera and did this. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you found this helpful. And honestly, it's super easy to use this technique. And if you're gonna go and create some makeup looks using this technique with the wet brush and the eyeshadow as the eyeliner, tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. And if you enjoyed watching this and you found helpful, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, I can't even stress enough how important and how supportive that would be for me if you would press the button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you found this helpful and you like this eyeliner makeup look and what you would like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have a great day guys. See you soon.